G'day and welcome to Dave's Model Workshop. Today I'm showing you my latest build, which is a 1/20th scale donut van. This is a famous donut van that used to be at Footscray station here in Melbourne, and it was there for like 30-40 years. And yeah, I thought this was a nice way to remember it, because it's gone now. It got taken away about 8 years ago as part of a train station redevelopment, which is a bit sad. So yeah, it was a complete Melbourne institution, the Olympic Doughnuts van. Check out the upside down Olympic rings, I love it. I'll show you some photos in a tick of the original, and you can see if I've nailed it. But yeah, pretty happy with it. Like I said, 1/20th scale. This is the best bit. So this is the counter, this is the window where you would order your donuts. I think it's got the most personality. Particularly love the broken old light bulbs string. It would have been so glamorous once upon a time. And yeah, a few things down the side there just to add a bit of interest. And the rubbish bin that I did in a tutorial recently. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Oh, let's show you the back as well. So this is about 3 weeks work, 3.5 weeks work. But the coolest part is that you can check out inside. So these come off, and then the roof also comes off. And that way, you can check out the interior. It's got some bags of flour down the back there, a calendar, a sink, lots of donuts. This weird blue thing in here is a dolphin. It's a hot jam injector, which sounds so wrong, doesn't it? Yeah, the original had that since the 50s or 60s, and I tried to replicate it. Let's zoom in and see how that looks. It's strange, but I'll show you some photos of the original. You can judge for yourself. It is weird. So that's what I've been busy on. Really enjoying this scratch building thing. It's just such a pleasure compared to putting together a kit that someone else has designed and manufactured for you. It really is, for me, it's a real challenge, and it's really interesting and fun. So construction wise, what have we got? Mostly it's all styrene, just strip styrene, evergreen stuff. The windows are from an old takeaway sushi container. You know how you get those with like the clear plastic top on them? Cut up the clear plastic top. Those louvered windows took a long time. They were a massive pain. Luckily it's meant to look a bit decrepit because they're on some pretty wonky angles in places. But yeah, mostly strip styrene. The garage door, the roller door, and these are made from barbecue trays, and the wall is blue foam, so some of that stuff. Yeah, the brick wall is blue foam, and the fence is balsa, and the base is plaster. Pretty much everything else is just strip styrene or styrene sheet, and yeah. Oh, and this little awning is made out of paper that I coloured with pencils and then weathered with paints. Alright, well, I hope this is interesting for you. Now let's put the roof back on. these guys back on. It's a little fragile just because it's got that element of able to take it apart to see inside. But, you know, all the best models are fragile, aren't they? The milk crate is just a styrene strip. Let's get some light in there. And yeah, a few printouts on printers. And a lot of weathering. So I hope you like it, guys. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this new direction with my model making. It's really satisfying to me. I'm loving it. Not a lot else to say there on that one. I hope you guys like it. If you have any comments, please chime in below. But otherwise, I'll just leave you to enjoy it, and I'll check you next time on Dave's Model Workshop. More stuff coming with more tutorials. See you guys. Bye.